guys, welcome back to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. Hope you all are doing well, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create this super easy color block eyeliner look. It's very edgy, it's very trendy, and there's a nice pop of color on your lids. So if you're interested in these kind of looks, then please keep on watching. Begin with, I'm going to prime my lids, and for that I'm going to use Maybelline's Age Rewind concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm going to blend that all well with a concealer brush, and then I'm going to set that in place with Maybelline's setting powder in translucent. And for this eye makeup look, I'm going to use my oldie but a goldie palette. It's Morphe into Jaclyn Hill palette, and the shade called Butter from that shade as my transition color. So I'm going to take that shade on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to blend that all well in the crease so that it looks nice and natural. Next, I'm going to use the Balm's Merry Luminizer as my eyeshadow today. So I'm using my fingers first, and then I'm going to have a precise application with a small flat brush. So here I'm applying that shimmer shade, and I'm going to slightly wing it out as well. This is why I call this eye makeup very easy, because you don't need too many products and it's very simple yet colorful. Next, I'm going to use Morphe's 35H Hotspot palette and the shade called Ocean Drive. I'm going to add some Inglot Duraline to it so that it converts into a liner, and I'm going to apply that as a wing, and I'm going to leave a block in between my lid space so that I can use some other color there. Next, I'm going to use Morphe's 35B Color Burst palette and the shade called Smoothie. It's a beautiful bright orange shade, and Inglot Duraline to make it into a liner, and I'm going to apply that in the mid part of my eyeliner so that there's a beautiful pop of bright orange. Next, I'm going to work on my brows, and for that I'm going to use Sugar's brow definer in the shade Cherry Brown, and just going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows, and then I'm going to brush them all out so that it looks nice and natural, because I don't like very precise brows. I just like them as natural as possible. Next, I'm going to work on my under eye dark circles. For that, I'm going to use Maybelline's Age Rewind concealer in the shade Medium. I'm going to blend that all well and set that in place with the Maybelline setting powder in the shade Translucent. So this is my new fave. Next, I'm going to apply Maybelline's Colossal Kohl on my upper waterline, and for my low waterline, I'm in love with Colourpop's Creme Gel liners. So here is Cat Sweet, and then I'm going to use the Balm's Merry Luminizer once again as my brow bone and inner corner highlight. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to use Isadora's Lash Strengthening Mascara. I always used to say 2-in-1 brush mascara. I'm going to use that mascara, and I'm going to coat my lashes with this. You can go ahead and add falsies if you would like to. Guys, do let me know in the comment section below if you like such easy kind of looks which are very easy to create, plus there is a little bit of color on your lids. And you guys, this is the final look. This is super easy, full a pop of color on your lid, edgy, trendy, and everything, and it's very easy to create. That's the best. So I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well, and show some love by hitting that subscribe button. You guys, I need your support, I need your love on my channel. And guys, there are many more eye makeup and other tutorials on my channel, so don't forget to go and check them out and show some love, and follow me on Instagram as well. I love you all, guys. I hope you all are doing well, and I hope the COVID situation in your country is well. Please take care of yourself, take care of your health, your family, your friends, and stay safe and take care. And until next time, love you. Bye bye.